Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, I think the opposition are getting a bit hot under the collar for nothing. Madam Speaker, it's not about the budget per se. It's not about the budget, Madam Speaker. It's about the consultation process. Madam Speaker, it's about the consultations itself, and we can of course also mention about the consultations that have taken place for the 2018-2019, which I intended to address in any case. So, Madam Speaker, in respect of 2017-2018 consultations, Madam Speaker, we had about 32 official consultations in 2017-2018, and they went really well, Madam Speaker. Essentially, we had 2 consultations were held at Disabled Persons Organization in Suba and Lautoka. 11 were with the general public, covering most parts of Biti Levu and Vanu Levu. There were 11 consultations held with 145 high schools or secondary schools, Madam Speaker, 60 in the Central Division, 52 in the Western Division, 33 in the Northern Division, and more than over 1,700 students altogether. We also went out to all the university campuses, the University of South Pacific campus in Lodala Bay, FNU in Nasinu and Samumbula, and the University of Fiji in Saweni, and also the FNU campus in Lautoka. We also had 3 private sector organization consultations, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, the consultations, and it is similar to the 2018-2019 consultations. In the 2018-2019 consultations which we commenced, Madam Speaker, unfortunately we had to postpone them because of the climatic events that we had. But the consultations, Madam Speaker, follow a similar vein in respect of reaching out to as wide a number of members of the Fijian population as possible. But what is really interesting, Madam Speaker, that the 2017-2018 consultations, a number of the submissions that were actually made by, in particular, the students were taken on board and indeed were encapsulated in the 2017-2018 budget, which, as the opposition has highlighted, is about to finish on the 31st of July. But I think it is very important to note, Madam Speaker, that the direct submissions by members of the public actually have been incorporated into the budget itself. And we expect similar types of consultative processes where that will have an input into the 2018-2019 budget provisions, Madam Speaker. As we have already said in the Business Committee meeting, that the budget will be delivered on the 22nd of June of this year. As we've said, I know it's already out there. So, as we've said, that we'll present the budget on the 22nd of June, on the evening of the 22nd of June of this year, Madam Speaker. Thank you.
Thank you.